As a small business owner and floral designer, I love that I'm able to help people bring their love story to life through floral design because we believe that your flowers should be as unique as you are. I love being my own boss because I'm able to have complete creative control over my entire business, and I'm able to work out of my living room, and so my kids can be there with me and they can see that their mom is working and making a living from her home, and I'm still able to be with my kids, which is always a priority for me. Rose and Laurel is a luxury floral studio based out of the Twin Cities and available by appointment. We specialize in weddings and life's special events. The best way you can help support small business is purchase from us and then tell all of your friends about it. Leave a review for us on Google, follow us on social media. For me, flowers are way more than just a bloom on a stem. They bring people so much happiness and so much joy. And for me, the highlight of any wedding day or any bouquet delivery is handing the bouquet to the individual who's receiving it and the look on their face. I get teary every single time. I'm Sarah Bruxford, owner and creative director of Rose and Laurel. Thank you for supporting small business.